What's up? Welcome to today's stream. Today is Monday, or no, Tuesday. I'm tripping. Today is Tuesday. Just further proof that I rarely know what day it is. But yeah, so I'm currently at work, I suppose, working. And figured I'd do a little bit of live streaming before I end my day. I have about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get some last minute things accomplished. So I figured I'd show that. I have a few things that I want to get accomplished today. One of them is more important than the other. So the main one that I'm trying to do is get my application, my little API project updated to use some new stuff. I'll get into that later. And then, yeah, there's probably other stuff I've already forgotten. So instead of over here rambling, I'm gonna just do this and we'll figure it out as I go. All right. Okay, yeah, so I got my screen up and let's go ahead and jump into this. So where's my thing at here? Here we are. So I have this this little demo thingamajig right here, and here's what that looks like. It sends me this email, thanks for the handshake, whatever. And I need to make sure that I can use this new version. So there's this new app ID, which, what is this called? Is this the same app ID? 5E F3. Okay, yeah, all right. So this is demo momenta. I already have this. So this may actually be a lot easier than I thought because I already have it. So we have that. And now I want to do the new template ID here. So this is the template ID. So just copy that and paste it here. And this should be it. It should just work from here. Watch it not work. Oh, never mind. It did work. All right, so let's see. Thanks for the handshake. Okay, yeah. 0 minutes ago, so working. So let me go ahead and let them know. So that's, yeah, that happened faster. Faster than I thought. Let's see, just verify things are working as expected. Verify. How do you spell verify? All right, there we are. All right, wow. So that, yeah, I was fully expecting this to take longer. Oh, yo, what's up? How you doing? I just now saw your chat message, bro. What's up, Fax Tree? I'm still confused, but slept and had. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not about to say all that. But yeah, I'm glad that you got some rest, bro. You're asking like, what am I doing? Oh, whoa. Hold on, give me a second. I just realized that this total is wrong. Was it wrong last time? Well, total is new. Damn it, somebody updated the template. Okay, so I also need to put custom data item dot total. Item total. All right. So glad that I did this, and also let them know. Just realized the template is slightly different. So just to give you a little bit more insight into what I'm doing in Factory, I have a live stream that I'm going to be hosting tomorrow. This is an official live stream for One Signal. It likely won't be on my YouTube channel. If you want to see it, it'll be on One Signal Developers on Twitch only. We may clip that up and throw it on YouTube. But all that aside, we have a... So, oh, hold on. Someone's at my door. Be right back. Roscoe, good. All right, so yeah, back what I was saying. So we have another way for you to customize your emails, and I don't want to get into too far into this because I'm introducing this tomorrow, but I just need to make sure that this template works so that I don't have egg on my face tomorrow. So let me first update something right quick. So I see here that we have this total, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a total as a string. So we're gonna say this is gonna be $87.50 some, whatever that is. And because this has a dollar sign there, I don't need to worry about formatting it. So let's go ahead and sync that and submit it. And what you'll notice is that I'm going to get a new email, hopefully. And notice here that now we get total. So what just happened here? Well, now we're giving you a way to create a template and not use just something called data tags to put data in, but you can send all of the data that you want to be substituted into the email. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. If not, apologies. But it seems to be working, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is what? All right, next thing is to get the live activity. So I have a live activity and I need to pull it up on a device. Let me make sure I'm looking at the right one. So ignore that, ignore, and let's build it. All right, so give it a little bit of time for the simulator to open. Pull it up over here. All right, man. See you later, Factory. Thank you for popping in. All right, so I should be able to start this live activity, and let's see. I get a success 1. So if I close the app, I get L and T. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, something's wrong with this. Was deprecated in 16.2. Were my changes not saved from last time? 16.4, 16.4, 16.4. Request was deprecated. Oh yeah, I know that. This should be content. Then let's see, can't convert this value. So I got to figure out a way to convert this thing to what this expects. All right, so let's look for activity. An activity kit, and then there is a function called request, this one right here, which takes in attributes content state, which is deprecated. So then where's the new one? Oh gosh, okay, I don't know where the new one is. Shit, okay. Hopefully this can give me the documentation. All right, yeah, put this over here. All right, so this is the new one, and it expects a type of activity content, activity attributes content state. I'm instead going to just open up the other project that I have that has the right one and just copy from that. It's a lot easier, I think. Oh, I already had it open. Look at that. So let's come over here, and what I'm looking for is this piece right here. This is the thing that actually submits the request to start the live activity. So I want to take that same code and see what I'm doing different. Activity content. Oh, okay. So then there is now a function that I can call to do this. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll say let A equal activity content, and then I give it the state, I think. Oh, think I still need okay, I see what's happening. Okay, so let's get this started. So I need to give it state, the stale date, and then I think relevance score is optional. Also stale date is optional too. So let's go ahead and put content state. And I'm just gonna copy this little piece right here, stale date, calendar, that. And what I think this is saying is like, this is gonna go stale in 30 minutes or something like that. Ooh, maybe, do I need to do this? Do I need to do that? All right, so this is going to be the activity content. Activity content. I think that's how you spell activity. And I'm going to put that there. Let's go ahead and save. All right, I guess this is looking good. So let's replace. Okay, so live activity is started. Oops. It's not what I would expect though. It's not showing what it's not showing what I would have expected. It's showing, it looks like this. Like where it's just showing L, T, and min. I see what's happening. I think I understand what's happening right now. How do I lock? How do I lock the device? Command L. There we are. Okay. All right. So that's okay. I may okay. I don't really know how to handle this right now, but we have a live activity. Allow. So from here on out, if I were to send if I were to send requests to our API to update the live activity, we can update the score, the amount of time left, the quarter, all that other kind of stuff. All right, so now that we have that, I need to begin the process of copying this to the other project. So we'll just copy, and this is going to be sports live activity. How about that? We'll just call it sports live activity. We have this sample widget here, and this is the the thing here. Maybe I'm gonna just create a new file. I do want this to be available to the OneSignal iOS app sample, because I need access to the attributes, that type that I'm going to create. We're going to call this game score live activity, game live activity, or score live game activity. How about that? Game. We'll do score, sports score. Live activity. I want to make sure that I keep Henry here, because he did in fact write this. This is going to be the sports live activity. Why isn't that popping up? Okay, it's because I didn't name it that. All right, let's call this a sports live activity. Sports live activity. Man, I can't spell this word for some reason. And maybe I should refactor so that I don't have to like mess up stuff. All right, and then I also want to rename this as well. All right, so I now have my two things, and I'm also going to rename this. I don't have to refactor because this isn't used anywhere, but I'm going to do it anyways. Sports live activity previews. Okay. All right, so now that I have that, this should pop up. There we are. Now find sports live activity and scope. What does that mean? How is that possible? Maybe I had to do this. Maybe I had to make sure it's part of the bundle. Yes, that's exactly what I had to do. And then this here, I'm going to delete this file and throw it here. Apple widget. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it in here to keep it co-located with the thing that it matters to. And then I can make sure I include that, and then I can delete this. Just to kind of make this a little bit easier to reason about. All right, so we have a sample widget extension. I guess I need that. I don't know, maybe. Let's make sure things are still okay. Come to my content view. So at the moment, the starting the activity is still going to be the previous one. I need to make sure that this still works. So I'm going to launch this on the simulator, and we have it here. I have my in-app notification. Let's start the live activity. Do I get a 1? Yes, I get a success. And then this is the live activity that, oh, come on now. It's so hard to do this with a mouse. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa, this is wrong. Why? Why did that? Oh my gosh. It started out looking correct. I wonder if it's because I have more than one live. Yes, that's what it is. Let me clear this live activity. That was the problem. Okay, so let's restart the app, which is, I think this one. Start the live activity. There we are. This is the one. Cool. So it all still works. Now what I'm going to do is make sure that it launches the new sports score live activity. And then once I get that confirmed and working, I can go ahead and commit and merge this PR. And then, yeah, it's already public. So like, I don't really have to publish anything. All right. So what do I need to do in order to get this to work? Well, I am going to straight up copy pasta. So from the top, inside of the view controller. Hey, I think it's the view controller in this. This is using storyboards or something like that. I need to take this little piece of code and dump it to over here, right there, inside of this start live activity. So the first thing is I need to get this. Well, I'm just gonna copy it straight up. Do that, and then we'll just paste. And I don't want the sample, I want the sports, the sports attributes, that. And we got attributes, activity content, catch block. All right, now it's upset about something. Cannot assign to type activity. All right, so I need to find the activity that I've strongly typed up here. And this is also going to be the sports score live activity attributes. And that should fix most of this. Except for this one signal. This is now sport something attributes. There we are. Cool. So this should fix everything. Yep. Everything's fixed. So I'm going to replace. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Let's get away from here. I also need to close this. So let me, how do I close it? I also could have did stop live activity, but you know, that would have been too easy. Makes too much sense. It's still giving me the wrong one. This isn't the right one. So in order to make sure that I'm not going to confuse myself, I'm also going to delete the sample widget, whatever this is. This is going away now. Let's delete it. Move to trash, and then I can go to the bundle and make sure that I delete that. What I want to do is clean and rebuild, just to make absolutely sure that this is indeed the latest. All right, so let's start live activity. It's still telling me my pieces. Wow, that doesn't make sense. Some both. Let's try this again. Okay, I feel dumb right now. I'm looking at the wrong one. I wanted to run this one. Still, okay, all right, I'm now officially confused because I don't have any of what that's showing in this code base at all. This is definitely the sports live activity, so I'm not sure why it's still showing the other one. So here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to come to my simulator. And I'm just going to like go all the way in and just delete the app. What? Wait. Okay. Delete it. I'm also going to close this because I no longer need it. Where are we at? Content view, sample widget. Why do I have two sample widgets? I'm tripping. Okay, so we have, yeah, this should be it. All right, so let's do a clean again. Let's see if it's going to do the thing this time. Maybe not. Let's sample. Let's run that. All right, let's hope that it works this time. Okay. Seems to be happy. Start the live activity. Says successful. Okay, all right, this is right now. All right, cool. So now I see this. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and allow. Let's go ahead and do some committing. So now that I've done this, that means that I can go off and archive the live activity repo. So that's the other thing that's going to happen. All right, yeah, we're gonna create a PR, and this is migrates live activity from the live activity code sample, and I will link to that. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, whoa. I'm confused now. Okay. There, I'm not done. I'm not done. Let me, I need to bring over some assets to this one. So let's learn how to do that because I have no idea how you do that. New image set, new color set, new folder. Maybe I can import it. Yeah, looks like I can do that. All right, so I'm going to import this from my previous thingamajig. Let's make this a little bit bigger so I can see. We have two. I'm not sure which one of these is which. Actually, this is trash. All right, so I'll just move that to trash. Here we are. So inside of assets, maybe it's in here, assets. Yeah, here we are. So I want to import literally all of these. Let's show in Finder, and then I should be able to open up iTerm here. I want to see what's in some of these files. This looks to be default. That also seems to be default. Okay, and then the nice image set. Okay, so it looks like I should import Knight's image set, league, and then this. So we'll go ahead and bring those in. And let's stop, rerun, see what happens. Also, I'm gonna close this. All right, we have the live activity started, and now we have our images. Perfect. So yeah, we'll say add image assets. All right, yeah, always allow. All right, so this looks good, I think. Yeah, I think I can go ahead and get this merged now. Well, before I do that, I'm gonna take a screenshot. There we are. All right, let's see here. We have assets. The assets. just going to throw it in here. All right, so that's the live activity. I also want to show this thing right here. So I'm going to also take a screenshot of that. So this is going to be our in-app message. Maybe. How long does it take to save? And that took forever. Wow. Okay, so we'll move this into here. It's going to be our in-app message. I am on launch. We'll call it a launch I am. And I'm also going to I'm going to do hyphen activity. Okay, let's see. Present in-app message. It's not working. Again. God dang it. Prompt push permission. All right, here. So yeah, we'll go ahead and screenshot that. It's so slow. All right, there we are. This is the permission prompt. Permission prompt. I am. Go ahead and end the live activity. All right. So I have all the things. So let's go ahead and add these. Add screenshots for README. Wrong folder. Wait, where's okay, I see what I've done. Okay, so I have my README. I'm just going to dump these images in here. So the first one is going to be the show present in that message on launch. I call it launch in that message. I don't know. I'm not going to get into the weeds and how to reference that. For now, let's just put in the thing. So this is going to be the launch IM, and this is going to be inside the assets directory launch IM. Also, I should probably change this to an image so that I can constrain the size. Let's see if I can get ChatGPT to do that for me. I know that. Give me the image. It's just like, yes, I know. Just didn't want to have to type this because that's too much effort. All right, I don't. Oh God, fuck. Stop. I don't need you to do that anymore. All right, let's copy that, and I'm gonna just dump it here. We'll take that and put it here, and then alt text is going to be the launch. The launch IM. We'll call it app launch. How about that? App launch. All right, yeah, we'll do that. So now we have the thing. It's upset. It's like, oh, you shouldn't do that. But I don't know if I care. All right. And now I'm just going to copy this several times. So we'll give a little blurb. Configure in-app messages to present. Configure in-app messages to present to users on app launch. And then I probably want to put like a little link to how you could do that in the dashboard, because there's some stuff that you'll need to do there as well. And then this is in-app message permission request, push permission request. Like that, yeah. And that message app launch. All right, and then this is going to be in that message push permission request, push permission prompt. I think is technically what this is. Okay, and I want this to be different. We'll say push permission, whatever that is. Okay, and finally we want the in-app message, or the live activity. I think that's what we call those things. All right, so we'll say live activity, sporting event score. Or sporting event, how about that? And then we're gonna do live activity, sporting event. All right, cool. So now we have a little bit of stuff going on here. Let's push that up. Add screenshots for different messages. Oops, I just realized that this is wrong. And that message app launch. Okay, that's right. And that message push permission prompt. Actually, this is just a push permission prompt. This right here is honestly, I don't really know what this is called. I'll go back to that later. This right here is going to be a sporting event live activity. So we'll say live activity for sporting event. All right, we'll go ahead and commit that. So add screenshots for different messages. Whatever, that's good enough. Let's go to GitHub. I'm gonna just go ahead and immerse this. Okay, getting started. I'm gonna say I'm not gonna write instructions. I'm gonna just refer to what we already had. Definitely want to make sure that I'm on this version. And where are my quick starts? Here we are. So mobile quick start, we want this. So we'll just say refer to that. Well, what is that thing? Is it a quick start guide? What is it? Okay, please refer to the OneSignal iOS SDK quick start guide. I think that's what it's called, maybe. Go. Okay. It's iOS setup. So please refer to the OneSignal iOS SDK setup to configure your project, or please refer to the OneSignal iOS setup to enable push and that messaging. What else? Oh yeah, that. And then that messaging and the OneSignal live activity something. Did I close it? Yeah, it looks like I did. iOS sample, live. Is this it? No, that's not it. Live activity. I'll just go here, I think. Ooh, stay on page. I want this to be on this tab. Okay, wrong one. Okay. Shit. I'll just look for it. Okay, so we're going to now go to the live activity sample. There we are. So this right here, the live activity quick start guide. Is that the one I want to go to? Yes. Live activities quick start guide. pushes, and then let's end the one signal something guide. Let me put a little thing here. And the to get started with live activities. I could have swore I was just on the page just a few seconds ago. Ooh, why is that wrong? Okay, we have that one, and now I want, and it's the wrong, dang it. Live activities. I copied the wrong version. There we are. Okay, and now I want the quick start guide right here. Say other resources. All right, and all I'm going to do is copy from the other one, which it seems like I keep closing for some reason. I want to take 1, 2, and 3, or 1, 3, and 4. I guess technically is what I want. So what I'm going to do is just take them all and then delete them. It's the easiest thing to do in my opinion. And we'll change these. Oh, I don't want that one. Permission prompting. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and commit. We'll do refine, readme, reading, refine, readme, refinement. I actually forgot what I've done. I'm just going to say update readme because I've literally forgotten what I've done. Do please refer. Oh, okay. So then just add getting started instructions. I'm just pointing to pre-existing docs. Let's see how we're looking. Interesting. I don't remember putting this in here. But let's just make sure these links are the correct links. Yeah, they are. So let me just go ahead and delete the one that I accidentally forgot that I put there. And I'm just going to commit this directly to main. Yep. Okay, the next step is I want to send a push notification so that I can take a screenshot of that as well. So let's do that. Got my simulator, and then I need to open up my API project. Okay, so this is, I think this is my app, which means that it's going to be in my code and color and iOS user model, I think. And then we can do send notification, push notification. Here we are, we can do that. And then we can say, I don't know, iOS sample. How about that? Oh. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. I don't know how that changed. Oh gosh. We're gonna deal with this, aren't we? Just do that right there. Okay. All right, that worked, but it shouldn't come because I didn't enable push. So let's enable push, allow. And now hopefully it'll come. All right, this is where I get to debug and figure out if this is even the correct application. Before I do that, let me come into the options and not send this cookie. It's just confusing to me. And I'm going to format this as HTTP because it's a little bit easier for me to reason with. Now the app ID is 202, so I need to make sure that that's in fact the app ID. So I'm going to go to my content view and see if that is my, oh wait, no, it's not in my content view. I'm tripping. Where would that be at? This one, yes, 202 ABF. Is that it? 202 ABF. Yeah, this is it. All right, so now I get to do a little bit more debugging and see if, oh shit, never mind. I forgot. I can't receive push notifications in the simulator. All right, that's the issue here. So to fix that, I'm going to go ahead and end my live activity and lock the screen. It didn't end it. Okay. There seems to be more work to be done now. So I need to make sure that my end, like this thing right here, is actually working. It doesn't seem to be working. Even though that's what I'm calling. I don't know, but it's cool. I'm just going to stop this and I'm going to send this to my iPhone that's connected to my computer. And we're going to run it. Wait, it has recently restarted. Xcode will, it is unlocked. What are you saying? It's unlocked. I'm even connected to it. What are you saying? 11, am I not on the right one? 1100. Yeah, this is it. Try it again. Okay, sure. Whatever. All right, so I'm going to show this by opening it up QuickTime. And let's show my iPhone. Yeah, okay. Oh, I can't, wait, I can't show it? Oh, here we are. Yeah. All right. So this is my phone screen. So let me go ahead and close that out. And now I want to enable push. Yeah, allow. All right. And I'm going to send a push notification. You won't see this, but it's that request that I just sent. Let's see if I get that. Okay, so I didn't get it. Now I get to debug a little bit. So let's go to one signal. See, this is I'm doing all this just so that I can take a screenshot. I want you to keep that in mind. This is the level of effort that I had to go to get a screenshot. $5:30. That's today. That's definitely today. APNS bad device token. Ooh. Oh, okay. Interesting. I wonder if that's popping up in the logs. Let's see if it does. Try it again. Enable push, prompt push permission. Okay, fine. All right, let's try it again and just see if it gives me the same error. Okay, this isn't fun. I don't know how to fix this. Fine, screw it. I am not going to add an image of the thing. Instead, what I'm going to do is go ahead and archive this. We're done. Probably should have said refer to. Dang it. All right, can I unarchive this? Yeah. Take that, so we'll say to the iOS sample app instead. Not sure why why that happened. Okay, all right, cool. Let's do warning. Or we can, no, we'll just do this. Do that. commit directly. Yeah, I know that. Just for visitors to latest iOS sample. All right, so now I can do the thing. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make this whole thing a link. I'll do that like so. There we are. A little bit. So the whole thing is gonna be a link. We'll commit directly. All right. The reason why I did this is I'm thinking about, like, you know, an actual person. Like, I don't want them to have to like go and do the thing. This is easier to do. So now I can go ahead and archive this again. All right, dope. Now let's go to the next one. All right, cool. This seems to be better. I want to do push at some point. That's weird. Why does it look so weird? What is that? I don't know. I'm not about to get into that. Yeah, that's weird. All right, so let me let folks know that this is done. Shit. Okay, I think we're good. Let me make sure that this also, yeah, this has live activities and that messaging, SwiftUI, push, one signal, notifications. Eventually, I'm going to add email and SMS to this. But yeah, this is this seems to be. It seems to be pretty decent. Okay, yeah, this is done. I can go ahead and mark this off of my little list of things that I needed to do today. Okay, so done. This is, yeah, I need to work on that later. Update with the latest update, one signal, complete readme. Live stream. Okay, this is tomorrow. Documentation guidance meeting. Oh, I did this already. Submit feature request to Eng. This needs to come up to this week. Okay. All right, look at that. What do you know? So, I'm done. I mean, I could do this feature request, but I don't want to do that publicly, like live, because, you know, reasons. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. I think this is a good ending point. So if you're around and you have questions, you have the next 30 seconds to a minute to ask me a question. I'll stick around for longer, but like, I gotta see questions before I'm just gonna commit to being here for longer. So if you have questions, if you have thoughts, concerns, if you want to see me do something, let me know. And I can stay around for up to another hour. I have a hard stop at 5:25 though. So I guess that's less than an hour. Now that I've done math, it's less than an hour. I need to figure out a way to improve this. I think I can do better than this. I can improve this a lot. I'm gonna continue to add something here while I wait around. So we'll say prompt user for notification permission or push permission without using native prompt. And then this last one is launch or start. Yeah, launch, update, and end live activities. Well, we could say yeah, launch or update. Launch, update, and end live activities. I don't know if I want to say that. I don't like that. All right, let's see what Apple has to say. Live activities. I'll just steal what they have to say, because according to Steve Jobs, great artist still. So seeing that's Apple has stolen, I'm just going to steal from Apple. All right, let's see. Introduce support a new type of lingering lock screen notification, lets you track information in real time. Live stream activities. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Maybe if I put Apple. And also don't use DuckDuckGo. I want to see the actual Apple. What do they have to say about this? Here we are. Live activities display your app's most current data on the iPhone lock screen and in the dynamic island. Okay, so I'll say present live information at a glance with live activities. I already forgot what I just said. Present live. Okay, present live information to user with live activities. This is just going to be an update. I don't really feel the need to say what exactly I've done. All right, perfect. This looks decent, I think. Except, no, this isn't decent. Let me fix the headers. I want to use H3s, not 4s. All right, cool. All right, I see I have no questions. It's been a few minutes. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and peace out. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed today's stream, please go like or subscribe or follow on whatever platform you're watching on. And yeah, I'll see you all again sometime later this week. Peace.